na pala pagkatanong ko. For example, mag-mention tayo ng store. I-categorize nyo siya kung good, better, and best.
Okay.
Mas maganda siguro yan. Kasi the way I look at it, iba-iba pala kayo ng ng shopping habit eh. In short, parang sinabi ni Elder of North na don't judge me because I see differently than you do. Parang si Ate Pe, all along, akala ko wala na talagang hilig, pero Uniqlo ha. Pero target ha. Mahal din pala. So, itong topic na ito na naisipan ko lang na we can talk about it because even when we're still in the Philippines, no, nasa Manila pa tayo or sa Pilipinas, nagsishopping naman tayo talaga eh, no? And then parang na-magnify dito sa Amerika dahil we have the resources, nagda-drive kayo papuntang mall na kahit na mag-isa, mabilis maka-parking compare sa Manila na maghahanap ka pa ng parking slot mo, ganun-ganon. So very convenient talaga ang shopping, how would I say, parang shopping activity dito sa US. So ano yung mga thoughts nyo in terms of difference ng shopping doon sa Pilipinas at saka shopping dito sa Amerika?
Well, since I just came back from my vacation, right? So,
yes.
Shopping, ang shopping sa Pilipinas, of course, kumpara sa mga items natin dito at saka items doon, most of the items there came from China. And sa atin din naman dito sa Amerika, China din eh. Pero ang quality natin is much better than them. Kaya ang price natin is higher than that in the Philippines. But I would say na ang problema lang doon, kasi ako malaki na ako. So yung sizes nila won't fit me. To be honest with you. Sabi ko nga, insulto yata ito sa akin eh.
Yeah, because
Sadali ha.
Actually, hindi kasi sa akin. So large nila, hindi kasi sa akin.
Yeah.
Dapat double or triple X ako. Ganon. I don't look like really big, right? Pero ganon, hindi ka kasi sa akin.
I-qualify daw natin sandali yung sinabi mong mas maganda ang quality dito kaysa sa Pilipinas when in fact they are just the same, made in China.
Yeah, made in China, but I think ang ang quality control nila doon is not as kasi it's imported eh. You can still call it imported because it's coming from China. So I think kasi makikita mo yung mga gamit medyo hindi ko naman masasabing parang ibang gamit is parang throwaway type of thing, but
Interior ba? Interior?
Oo, I would say substandard. Substandard ang quality.
It's true. Yeah, it's true.
That's true.
Like you said, it's the quality control when they get in American soil.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi yan kontrolado ng Amerika kasi it's imported di ba? So, and
just in my mind, bago pa ang mga goods na yan, bago pa umalis doon sa China, meron ng check na ito papunta ng ganitong countries dito sa Amerika. Dahil chine-check naman na natin, di ba, ang Amerika ay, we've been complaining of the quality of Chinese goods.
Yeah.
Nag-complain tayo eh.
I've learned something about that too because you remember Eileen Tracy? The Jamaican, her daughter used to work at Walmart, and she's the quality control manager at Walmart. It's not only one Walmart here, but the whole Walmart from Bentonville, Arkansas.
Wow.
Arkansas.
She used to be the quality control, and she goes to China and really check the goods before they come to Walmart.
Oh, okay. So that explains.
They have every big company that sells stuff in here. They have somebody who goes to China and check before they come.
So let's go back. Let's go back to that shopping. Nasabi natin substandard, pero ang way of shopping natin,
ang way of shopping, I think,
our way of shopping is we will go to.
Ano ang difference?
The cheapest. For me, I'm into pricing. pricing, you know, because sometimes if you look at the quality, some of them are kind of the same, but then I still look at the pricing, you know. Like for example, I go to Nordstrom, I go to Macy's and look at the stuff, and sometimes I get the stuff from Ross or from TJ Maxx or from Marshalls. They are the same quality, but the pricing is different.
Pero alam mo yun, di ba, yung mga katulad ng other shopping dito sa Amerika, known, even in the Philippines, there is yung online shopping which is called Timo. Timo here, I don't think they have Timo over there, but they have the Shein. Shein, you call it Shein?
Yeah.
S-H-I-N?
Meron din Shopee, parang Amazon.
Oh, Shopee is in the Philippines, that. Yeah, parang
Uh-huh.
Amazon nila yun doon. You
Uh-huh.
know, and it's really good. One thing I really like over there, you know, when you order now, tomorrow it will be there. It will arrive as soon as, sabi nila kasi, as long as the, how do you call that, the provider or the seller is within the area or within Metro Manila, 1 day lang. Ganong kabilis. Ganong kabilis. I really like it because yung pamangking ko, when I got sick, and she gave me this parang, hot, ano ba to, yung hot compress, and it has a cover on it, parang rabbit yata. I said, oh, this is really nice. I like this. And I didn't know that she ordered one for me. And the following day, it arrived already. Ganun kabilis. Ganun kabilis. And sa atin, it will take like days, right? So that's one thing I like here.
We are in the
Shopee.
province.
Shopee and Lazada. Shopee
Well,
and Lazada.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, Joy, because you are in Metro Manila, and most of their storage areas are in Metro
In
Manila.
Metro Manila.
But
Yeah, that's what they
order,
told me.
like if you're in Davao, it takes 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what they told me. If it is if the seller is out of, Metro Manila, then it will take 2 to 3 days.
Yeah, because you have to send it through airline.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So,
Probably
speaking
the
of
price is even higher. as well.
Merong naka-block sa, okay, good.
So
Alright.
speaking of online shopping, anong percentage ng paggamit nyo sa compare sa in-person shopping activity nyo?
Ako,
for me, I only use
90% na ang aking online shopping.
Hmm.
90%. And kung sa bagay, my husband is the one who goes to the grocery, which is very rare din. Pero kung mga items na halimbawa, gift items, or I want for example, I want a picture frame. And I have a subscription also with like shampoo, mga soap, detergent, ano pa iba kong subscription, vitamins. I don't go to the store anymore for those things. Ang mga vitamins, I have a subscription, they get delivered on time. So,
Yeah.
yan. Because if I go to the store, that's the problem. I go to the store, I spend more time looking at other things.
yes.
Yan. Looking at other things, and then I
That's-
end up buying something that I don't really need. And then I
Oh,
will regret
same
it
here.
later.
Same here.
Ganyan. Oh.
Ang laki ng mata ko eh.
Although reduced na ngayon as we age, na-decrease na natin yung parang na-temper down na ang ating I want this, I want that. We always think, do I really need it? Kasi I already had an experience na I buy when I was younger, a lot younger, yung mga nasa 20s, 30s. Tapos 10 years later, 20 years later, I find those things that I bought, ang dami, and I didn't even get to use them. I had no use for them really. I just bought them. What
Yeah.
a waste of money.
Yeah.
Waste
But
of
for
money
me,
talaga.
But for me, it's different because, okay, when it's like medicine, things like that you can find in the store, then I order it online. Usually it's for like makeup, all this advertisement about MD, Bayami, MD, and things like that. They don't have it in the store, so I just buy it from online. But if I have the time, I really want to go out and because that's where I get my therapy.
Shopping.
my boredom therapy is because you go to the store, you feel the ones that you like if I buy clothes and everything, I want to feel it before I buy it. And I want to even go to the what's that have
The
it
fitting room.
really fit. I have to fit it first before I go and buy it, because I've tried buying it from online, and sometimes the quality is not the one that I was expecting and things like that. So that's why I have to go to the store and buy clothes if ever I
Yeah.
really need one, things like
Yeah,
that.
that's for clothing.
Yeah,
I
for
go I
clothing.
go to
For
store.
clothing.
I go to store like JC Penney, like Macy's if I do have coupons. If I don't have coupons, I won't go. I
No,
have
Yeah.
coupons.
my
Sometimes they
favorite
give me
store.
50%.
Yeah.
50%. That's a big discount already. Big amount of savings that you can get. So and
Yeah.
they have also some other perks. That's what I do. I used to
I
get. Mhm.
If I want, for example, nice casual clothes, yung mga, for example, sporty ones or seasonal na pang winter or summer, I go to the outlet store.
Yes.
Kasi it's
That's
less expensive there and they have nice ones. Or sporty shoes, mga sneakers, tennis shoes.
Oo, mga sigu.
Sa outlet store. I
because
like outlet
yeah,
stores.
that like I said, I want to fit it. Maganda ba sa ano ko? Kasi tingin mo sa salamin, ay pangit pala, hindi bagay sa paa ko. Kasi then nabili mo na, sometimes wala nang mahihirap naman you have to bring it back. But when I do if I do need something like that, then I have to go to the store because I really want to see it. And plus, like, that's why my favorite stores are TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Ross, because they have stuff that came from the big department store, like you said,
Yeah.
Joe.
Mhm.
It come from department store, and they have like Calvin Klein for really cheap. I even bought 2 dresses like a month ago for $8, and they're all both Calvin Klein, and things like that. Sometimes there's a brand names, and they are cheap because that's why I like that. It put me on high. On high if I able to buy brand names and then cheap, and
Makita mo cabinet ni Joy, punong-puno ng sapatos, punong-puno ng mga damit.
yes. like for example,
Mga-
if I have
mga
a dress like
bags.
this, then
Oh my God.
yeah, and then I found a shoes that the same color as my dress. I want to buy that shoes too because I have a dress like that.
Parang may kakilala akong ganyan
Parang
Si Joy na yata yan. si Joy yan. Kilala mo.
parang sabi na
That's Joy.
ang tawag sa akin ni Glenn is Imelda Marcos eh.
Kasi ang dami
Kasi
sa
he bought me a saying that's in my closet right now, in my clothes closet, and it says there, you can have enough shoes.
You can't have enough shoes.
You can
You
have
can't have
enough.
enough shoes.
Imelda Marcos
So,
nga yun.
binili niya sa isang ng thrift store, yung yung antique store. Pumunta siya one time, and then pagbalik niya, look what I have for you. And then it says saying, you can't have enough shoes. Nilagay niya dun sa mga sapatos, nilagay sa taas.
May epekto ba?
I think,
May epekto ba?
yeah, that's
Kasi
why
may
it's so
epekto
funny.
niya.
It's so funny because, you know what? I think Glenn knows me too much already that if I buy new shoes all the time, she doesn't care anymore because she knows that I always buy shoes, And I have already given away a box of shoes, like a big box of shoes, that I don't use anymore. And then now I have another box again. I don't know. I don't know. It's just, I don't know if that sickness already.
You're-
I have,
Up to now, Joy, you're like that?
yes.
Even up to now?
Yeah, but
Ako,
not,
nakapas
but
na
not,
ako.
but not all the time anymore. Like,
Napagod na ako.
yeah. Hindi kasi nakikita ko yung, you know what? I like that shoes. And the color is, I think I have a dress like that. Then no, yeah. But then it's not as it's not as like before. I have to go like every week. Right now, I don't do that anymore. Once a month siguro pwede pa, but not every week anymore. So I'm good at it now. Better.
Kung nagpa-yun, no, I wait for sale. I have the app of Uniqlo. Kapag naano kong sale, pero ilan lang naman ang nabili ko sa Uniqlo? 3. That's it.
Sige
I
daw.
stop.
Gawa natin ng gawa natin ng example. Example, Walmart. Paano mo ano yan? Saan mo ilalagay? It's good, better, and best.
For me, it's just good.
Good.
Good lang siya. Sa akin,
Good.
it's not good.
Okay.
So I really don't buy stuff at Walmart. If it comes to clothes and everything, I don't buy it at Walmart.
Okay.
Okay, so
Even
for me,
even
Walmart is
even
good.
groceries. Even groceries, I don't go to Walmart.
Yeah, I go Walmart.
Sa groceries,
Yeah. So, iba-iba. So, Aldi. What's Aldi?
Aldi.
Okay, I like Aldi.
So, it's the best?
I like to buy some. For me, it's like better.
Better.
ako
Okay.
good.
Good lang sa'yo, Ate Pe.
Yes.
Okay, sa'yo, Ate Joy.
Go in the middle of good and better. I mean, I could say better because of the price that they have, and then
Okay.
yung mga chocolates nila, and it's a little bit cheaper as compared with
Wala.
regular store.
Minimal,
Yeah.
minimal depends lang ha kasi sinusurvey lang natin. Ha? Target.
Target is good for me because they're kind of expensive.
Ate Joy, L.
It's good, but I seldom go there anymore. I seldom go there. I only use Target when there are, mga wedding registry, and then they have the registry over there, and that's where I get it.
Yeah.
But now I closed my cards sa Target.
Ate Fe,
For me,
sa'yo.
because sometimes
Better
it
sa
depends
akin.
on what you need. Better
Better
sa'yo.
sa akin because my children, when there are birthday, when we need birthday presents for the grandchildren, they shop at Target, so I have to go to Target, and I find the goods there really nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So better.
Last two. Ross.
Oh, for me, it's best.
Good.
The
Best.
best.
I mean, no, not good. Better.
Best for me
Sa'yo,
because
Ate Joy,
I
L.
buy even my household stuff. I buy it from there. My pans, my mga malalaking yung serving trays and everything. I buy it at Ross, and I buy my clothes there too.
Aso ko yun, tignan mo nga.
So it's best for me. Best,
Sa'yo, Ate Fe.
better.
On Ross, better.
Better.
Down.
Okay.
Ikaw,
Last Goodwill.
Goodwill. Good.
Okay. Ate Joy. L.
Good.
It's just good. I have seldom go over there because hindi ako masyadong nagpupunta sa and the fact that I don't really know much of the where they are located, so hindi ako nakakapunta doon.
So, thrift shop. Anong say mo, Ate Fe? Good, better, best?
Ang any thrift shop,
Uh-huh.
it depends sa thrift shop. For example, do we consider the Deseret Industries thrift shop?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Thrift shop yan.
Better yan. Better. Although I don't shop for clothes sa mga thrift shop.
Yeah, me too. I don't.
Only mga household items that I'm not going to wear or not going to put on my bed. Mga beddings.
No.
Beddings and clothes, I don't. Yung mga, for example, yung mga washable, halimbawa mga ceramics, it's okay. Flower pots, it's okay. Mga ganyan, flower vases, that's fine. Even mga purse, bags, I don't shop in the thrift
Yeah.
store.
All
Okay,
right.
for me, I
Parang-
only shop it there before because Glenn is into antiques, and I've been also into antiques, but now I don't do that anymore because I'm getting old. I don't know where to put it. After I don't know where. Yeah, I have already whole 2 cabinets of stuff, that I don't know where to go. I have where to give it to when I'm
Sa
dead.
thrift shop pala, ang nabibili ko, and I stay a long time, books. Diyan sa Deseret Industries, that's where I find books that are like $1.99, $1.50, $2.
Yes.
And they are
Yeah.
really good books. Kahit dito sa half-price books, I
Yes.
spend so much time just, minsan I don't buy anything, but I just look and look and look. Browse, ganun.
You know what?
That's why
Yeah,
when I
yeah.
went, okay. So, like when I went to Utah, mahal yung I spent a lot sa books doon and I have them. Nandyan.
Di ka ba
I refer to
di ka ba
them.
nag-i-ebook anymore? Well, ebook is
I
quite
do.
pricey too.
Hindi ang itong ebook. $1.99 ang isang book. Oh, tapos
Talaga?
lahat na nandito.
Siguro hindi lang ako marunong maghanap. Siguro hindi lang ako marunong maghanap.
Oo, $1.99. Oh,
Yeah.
so
Siguro ito yung episode natin na maraming magbabasa sa atin.
why?
Dahil sa varied ang opinion natin dito eh. May
Ako talaga
may papa-
makabase. Mhm.
may papabor sa inyo, may papabor sa iba, ganun-ganun. So
Oh, that's good.
that's good, di ba?
Mhm.
If you will ask me kung anong paborito kong mga favorite kong stores, ang number one ko, especially for my food and other stuff sa bahay, na mostly pagkain, is HEB. Kasi
HEB. Yes.
HEB kasi malapit sa akin, and I found their find their mga meat nila, ang fruits nila and everything very fresh. So tsaka matatamis. So gusto ko sa kanila, even their flowers. I usually buy flowers for my husband kasi. So I like HEB. When it comes to mga clothes naman and other stuff that I can use at home as well, especially those items that I send to the Philippines, like the towels, like shoes and stuff. Basta merong discount akong nakukuha, I go to JCPenney kasi mura lang eh. Marami sila mga perks. And they also get some discounts, or how do you call that? I earn rewards. So I use that rewards as well sa kanila. And then also with Macy's. Pero sa Macy's, what I usually like there, kasi number one talaga sila when it comes to perfume. Ang mahal lang sa akin talaga that I buy is perfume. Yan ang mahal talaga sa akin. Kasi importante sa akin ang perfume. So yun lang ang lagi kong binibili sa Macy's. But if ever I'll be in Macy's, I'll go to the backstage. Kasi yun yung parang pinaka-nila, parang pinaka-Ross nila. Yung cheaper price nila nasa sa backstage. Which you find also some, signature items, pero mas cheaper siya. Maganda rin doon. Yun. That's what but I don't find it too, yung mga thrift store. Kasi the reason why I don't go to thrift store, because I do not know the place. That's it. Pero siguro kung alam ko lang yung mga places niyan, pupunta din ako doon. Cheap naman ako eh. Cheap lang ako. Gusto ko mura lang. Pero gusto ko may quality naman.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kasi
in thrift
importante
store.
yan, especially nowadays. We really have to think of something that we can save, but somehow makakasave tayo in a sense na talagang saving na yun is worth saving. Kumbaga, worth sa atin na magagamit natin. Kasi meron tayong savings na, naku, ipatapo naman pala. Katulad, there are items that I ordered from Timo, hindi ko nagamit. Wala lang. Sayang lang yung pera ko. But if you have the courage to call them, if you are good in communicating with them, they will tell you, you don't have to, because I wanted to return something that I bought na ayaw ko, o hindi maganda, o hindi fit sa akin, sa description nila. So I told them that I'm going to send it back. They told me, you don't have to return it. We'll just give another one to you. Which is good, right?
Yeah.
It's really good. Kasi mura lang naman yan. It's just like ang mga medicines, right? Medicines, I have a friend who works at LA Lilly, and he said that, say for example, one medicine cost about, from the manufacturer, it cost only $1. And the pharmacies or yung mismong bibenta na nila sa store will sell it 200 times. of that price. Kaya kahit ibenta nila na mas mababa yun, ano pa rin sila, kita pa rin. The same thing with
Mhm.
other stores, di ba? May iba
Mhm.
consignment and stuff like that. So talagang
Yeah.
makikita at kikita pa rin sila. And
Yeah.
that's it for me.
Oh, buti nga si Joy L well informed doon siya sa back ng Macy's dahil doon daw ang
Yeah,
price
yeah.
Oh,
Hindi
no.
ko
clearance
alam
sale.
yan.
Kasi I always
Me,
look. Mhm.
I'm no longer aware of that. That when I mentioned itong Uniqlo nga, it's quite pricey. Pero when do you think am I going to go back there again? Siguro 3 or 5 years later na naman.
Kasi quality
Because-
naman yun eh. Even
because
pricey.
I also have to replace yung mga old clothes ko.
Hmm.
Oh, I also have to replace siguro. I still wear clothes, would you believe, na 10 years na? 10 years old.
Yeah,
Ganon.
so,
It's good, hindi pa lumaki, hindi ka
may-
lumaki.
May 20 years pa nga dyan na clothes. Sabi ko, nako. Yung isang jacket ko, isinukat ko, ay pwede pa ito. I think that's already almost 20 years.
Yeah.
20 years old na. So
No,
I
hindi
also have
naman
to
out of style.
replace.
Mm-mm.
Oo. Pero I buy them, for example, yung Uniqlo nga, medyo pricey. And I came to know Uniqlo because of my husband. He goes, he goes walking inside the mall, walking. One time, and I don't go walking dyan sa mall. I don't have time. Let's go walking, sabi niya. Yan pala, after siya mag-walk ng 1 hour, he goes to Uniqlo. Dinala niya ako. Doon nakabili. Sabi ko, i-replace ko na nga ang aking damit. After that, wala na naman. So, I don't go out. Palagi akong inaano ng husband ko na, let's go out, ganyan, mag-ano sa mall. Sabi ko, tamad ako, I get tired.
so yung takeaway ko sa conversation natin ngayon is yung parang yung ano natin shopping habit iba-iba pala talaga, no? I was just thinking na we're all Filipinos. We came from the Philippines and then we came here in the America. I thought na parang pareho-pareho lang tayo ng mga shopping habit. Pero I just learned it today na iba-iba pala.
Iba-iba.
At saka, yung stages ng paano ba tawagin natin yung hilig, iba-iba, no? Kasi si Joy E, consistent siya no, na kung ano yung ginagawa niya noon, ganun pa rin. Sa iyo, Ate Fe, parang nagsawa ka na Parang hindi tayo, parang tawag nito, we're not of the same level in terms of our shopping habit right now. Parang
Yeah.
ang dami pala nating iba-ibang parang behavior or iba-ibang shopping habits.
Really enjoyed
Yeah.
over there.
Pero yan
Yes.
na lang, ang shopping, I think, is because we want to look nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why we shop.
So
And
it's
Mhm.
a
For
culture.
convenient din siguro, it's not really like gusto natin maging tayo as Filipinos na to look nice. But somehow, kasi
No,
siguro part na
love.
rin ng kultura natin
Yeah.
We love to look nice.
Uh-huh.
Filipinos love to look nice. Yeah, we go out with that. We just don't go out looking like we have house clothes. That's why we have house clothes. When we go out, we change into outside
Yeah.
clothes.
Yeah.
Ganyan tayo We change into outside shoes because we have inside slippers. Oh, that's why I have American in-laws. One clothing lang yan for one day, for in the house and outside the house. And the comment is, too much laundry, too much time,
Yes.
too much time changing. Just one set of clothes for one day. That's
Plus,
it.
mo pa yan sa 4 season. So, meron pang pang winter time, from springtime, from summertime na, na look or na dress. So, mas lalong dumami yung ng Pilipino dito dahil hindi lang isang
Isang set. Isang
isang
set ng
weather.
buong seasons. Kumbaga, iba-iba.
Iba-iba.
Kaya mas lalo
isa pa
magastos.
Isa pa pala, Jong, na-realize ko na bakit ako shopping ng clothes. When na-realize ko, na-notice ko lang, na-realize ko na yung pambahay ko pala, 3 lang naman ang ginagamit ko palagi. Because yun ang comfortable ako.
Hmm.
Sabi ko,
True.
3 or 4 lang. Pag nakita ko na nandoon na malinis na, they've been washed, I wear them again. In the meantime, meron doon sa closet, nandoon lang, forever. So sabi ko,
Totoo
useless.
yan.
Na halos hindi na magamit.
I agree with you. The same thing with me. Ganon din ako. Kung ano yung comfortable sa akin, especially mga pambahay, yun at yun din lang ginagamit ko. You know?
Yun ang,
Ganon din ang
yun
shoes.
ang-
Ganon din sa shoes.
Yun ang disincentive ko sa shopping. Yang you use the same clothes that you feel comfortable in. Why
Ay-
shop for more? Wala.
Ang sa akin, i-rotate ko yan. For example, this week, ito yung susuotin ko. Pabalik-balik yan yung iba. Pero 1 week lang yan. The next week, another na naman. Hanggang magamit ko talaga lahat yung mga ano ko.
Kahit
sabi-
sa pangbahay?
Okay, sa pambahay. Sabi ni Richie, tapon na nga yung ano, nagamit. Sobrang ano na yan. Hindi. 1 week of, in a quarter lang ito nagamit eh. So, another na naman. Parang ganun ba?
Rotate.
Rotate mo lang. Yeah. But just
Ay,
good.
naku.
Iba-iba din talaga tayo ng mga ng mga, ways na ating, even sa pananamit and everything,
Yeah.
magkakaiba talaga tayo.
Challenging ito sa pag-edit ko ah.
Challenging talaga sa'yo.
Ano-ano na lang.
Oo,
Tapal-tapal.
tapal
Kung
na
ano.
lang.